Is chewing gum good for your oral health? Hi, my name is Dr. Rudra Mohan, and today we're going to be finding out the same thing through the oral health channel. Let's start. So I honestly recommend this to a lot of my patients, and I do this myself as well, only when there are some conditions that need to be fulfilled. You're not diabetic, you don't have any jaw problems. That's very important, because chewing gum, especially just after a meal, does a lot of things. It helps in stimulation of the saliva. It also, because of the stimulation of the saliva, at the same time, whatever small debris that you have of food between your teeth, which is not getting rinsed off because of oral rinsing with the water or any sort of mouthwash, the chewing gum will obviously attract those things, and then it can mix with your saliva and then you can ingest it. I don't recommend you ingesting the chewing gum, obviously, and please discard the chewing gum in a very responsible way. How you're supposed to take it in a wrapper and then wrap it around and then throw it, because we have to be very environment friendly. However, there have been some benefits that have been found out, especially around xylitol containing chewing gums that have a very anti-caries or a protective role. Secondly, what you need to understand is that people generally tend to move their mouth or chew their mouth, or that chewing cycle that they require something to do it, and what they end up doing is, in between meals, what they end up doing is they actually end up snacking, and then you get sticky foods and oily foods, and the sugars get stuck and all those things. So in order to avoid that, I would strongly recommend that just after a meal or in between meals, if you feel the need to eat something, have a chewing gum. It's going to help you with your salivation. Whatever debris, food debris that is there in your mouth, it's going to get sluiced off. That's very important, and it gives you a sense of a fresh feeling. That is very important, because chewing gums are very much they're actually designed for that. And apart from that, if someone like me who has trouble in concentrating sometimes too, whenever I'm doing a video editing, and I feel like, because I generally tend to chew my tongue when I'm doing something very concentrated, so what I do is, at that point of time, instead of tiring my jaw and cheek, I just chew a gum, and that helps me relax. To be very honest, that's a very personal notion that I have for myself, and you can also try that, because if you feel that you feel distracted and you need something to be going on with you when you are doing something that is concentration worthy, try chewing a gum. That's going to help. And I know this is very famous, because a lot of football coaches, while they are concentrating and doing the game plan while the football match is going on, they chew gum. That's one of the reasons. It's also a stress reliever, because you don't want to gnash your teeth. You have something in between the teeth that will help in cushioning the impact. So this was today's episode. Please like, share and subscribe, and do press the bell icon for important updates. If you want to get in touch with me, here are my social media handles and my WhatsApp number. And also, if you feel the need to have any queries answered, any questions, any apprehensions, any doubts, any criticisms, or any sort of suggestions, kindly please feel free to do so in the YouTube comment section. So that's it for today. Thank you.